Hello students, let's do simple linear equations, exercise 14D, page number 172. Question 1. 1/5 of a number is 5. Find the number. So let the number be x. So this unknown number, we'll call it x. Now we can work out with that. So here it says 1/5 of a number, that is the number is x. So 1/5 of the number, that is x, is already given to us as 5. Now we have to find the value of x. So what does this mean? 1/5 of x means into x is equal to 5. So 1 into x is x. X by 5 is equal to 5. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 5 into 5. Now where did we get this second 5 from? From here. Here it is division. Now we have transposed it to the right side. It has become multiplication. So we are using the transposing method. So 5 5s are 25. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 25. So this is our answer. Question 2. 6 times a number is 72. Find the number. So again, you're talking about an unknown number here. So let the number be x. So 6 times that number is 72. 6 times means 6 into x is equal to 72. Now we can find the value of x. So on the right hand side, we'll leave 72 as it is. Now let's transpose the 6. It's multiplication. We'll transpose it from the left hand side to the right. So it will become division. 72 divided by 6. And we know 6 12s are 72. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 12. So the value of x is 12. Question 3. If 15 is added to a number, the result is 69. Find the number. So let the number be x. Now if we add 15 to this, that is x plus 15, the result will be 69. So now we can find the value of x. That is 69 minus 15, because we have transposed plus 15 from here, from the left hand side to the right, it's become minus 15. So let's subtract 69 minus 15. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we get 54. So we have found the value of x to be 54, or the number. The number is 54. Question 4. The sum of twice a number and 4 is 80. Find the number. So we'll start by saying let the number be x. Now it says twice that number. Okay, so twice that number will be 2x. Twice means 2. 2 into x, and sum means addition. So the sum of 2x and 4 is given as 80. So now we have to find the number, that is, we have to find x. So to find x, first we say 2x equals 80 minus 4, because we have transposed plus 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side, it's become minus 4. So 2x is equal to 80 minus 4 is 76. So now we can find the value of x. X will be 76 divided by 2. Division, because this is multiplication here, and when you transpose it to the other side, it becomes division. Now 76 divided by 2. Let's divide that. 2 3s are 6 minus, bring down 6, we have 16. 2 8s are 16. So we've got a quotient as 38. So 76 divided by 2 is 38. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 38. So this is our answer. Question 5. The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. So again, let the number be x. Now the difference means subtraction between the number and 1/4 of itself. So the number will be x. 1/4 of itself will be 1 by 4. So difference means minus. So 1 by 4 of x. X minus 1 by 4 of x together is equal to 24. So now we have to solve for x. So first let's open the brackets. So here we have 1 by 4 of x, that is 1 by 4 into x. So 1 into x is x, x by 4. So this is equal to x by 4. So let's write it there, x by 4. This is equal to 24. So now as you can see, here we have x minus x by 4. So this is subtraction of fractions. So we're going to do subtraction of fractions now. So that will be x minus x by 4. So let's give this x the denominator 1. Now we have to find the LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So let's do this 1 into 4. So x also into 4 is 4x minus, now here we have 4. 4 ones are 4. So x into 1 is x. So 4x minus 1x. 4 minus 4, 1 is 3. So 3x by 4. So here we can write that 3x by 4 equals 24. So the value of 3x will be 24 into 4, because we have transposed this 4, which is division here, to the right hand side. So it's become multiplication. Now let's continue. 3x means 3 into x. So if we leave only x here, on the right hand side we have 24 into 4 divided by 3, because we have transposed this 3, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. It's become division. Now we can cancel. I can cancel 3 and 24. 3 8s are 24. Now multiply. 8 4s are 32. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 32. So this is our final answer. Question 6. Find a number whose 1/3 part exceeds its 1/5 part. Exceeds means more than. So 1/3 is more than 1/5. So find that number. Okay. So we begin by saying let the number be x. Now 1/3 part of that. So that means 1 by 3 of x exceeds it. Okay. So it's more than that. So that means we have to minus it. So 1/5 of x. Now, when you minus it, you're going to get 20. This is given already in the question. So this is the first part. So this is 1/3 of a number, and that is more than 1/5 of that same number. And how much is it more? It's more by 20. So we have to solve this part first. So let's do that. 1/3 of means into x. Okay, so that is 1 into x. So x by 3. So here the first thing we've got is x by 3 minus, now let's solve the other one. 1 by 5 of is into x. So again 1 into x is x, x by 5. So here we've got x by 5. So x minus x by 3 minus x by 5 is equal to 20. So here, as you can see, we have subtraction of fractions. So let's do this subtraction. So x by 3 minus x by 5. Let's work this out. The LCM of 3 and 5, both are prime numbers. So the LCM of prime numbers will just be the product of those numbers. So 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. Let's multiply x also by 5. X into 5 is 5x minus 5 into 3 is 15. So x into 3 is 3x. So here 5x minus 3x is 2x by 15. So we're going to use that here. So let's write 2x by 15 is equal to 20. So to find the value of 2x, we can say 20 into 15, because we have transposed this 15, which is division here, to the right hand side, and it's become multiplication. Now we can find the value of x. So that will be 20 into 15 divided by 2, because here it is multiplication, and when you transpose it, it becomes division. Now I can cancel 2 and 20. 2 tens are 20, and when I multiply 10 into 15, it is 150. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 150. Question 7. A number is as much greater than 35 as is less than 53. Okay, let's be careful with this. Let the number be x. That means x is greater than 35. That is equal to being less than 53. So x is greater than 35 will be x minus 35. Because it's greater, it comes first. Now this is equal to, here x is less than 53. So 53 will come first. 53 minus x. So first we have to get an equation like this. And then we have to start solving it. So let's put all the x to the left hand side and all the whole numbers to the right hand side. So we'll rearrange it. So I have this x here already. Now I'm going to transpose this minus x from the right hand side to the left. It's going to become plus x. And here I already have 53. Now I'm going to transpose minus 35 to the right hand side. It's going to become plus 35. So x plus x is 2x. Now 53 plus 35, let's add that up. 53 plus 35. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2x is 88. So therefore x will be 88 divided by 2 because we have transposed this 2 to the right hand side. So it's become division. 88 divided by 2 will be 44. So x is equal to 44. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 44. Question 8. The sum of two numbers. So this time we've been told that there are two numbers. So the sum of two numbers is 18. That is one part. The second part is if one is twice the other, find the numbers. So let's begin. Let the first number be x. Remember, we're talking about two numbers now. So the first number is x. Let the second number be y. So let's do the first part. The sum of two numbers is 18. That means first number plus the second number is 18. Now this we can say is equation number 1. Now let's go to the second part. If one is twice the other, okay, so if x is equal to twice the other means 2y. Okay, so this is what they're saying. If x is equal to 2y, so now we have to find the numbers. Now this is equation number 2. So here we have x is equal to 2y. We're going to use this in the first equation. So let's take the first equation again. X plus y is equal to 18. Now we are going to substitute for x because here it says x is equal to 2y in the second equation. So here wherever we have x, we're going to write 2y. 2y plus y is equal to 18. So now 2y plus 1y, this will be 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3y is equal to 18. Now we can find the value of y. How do we do that? We say 18 divided by 3 because 3 is multiplication here. When you transpose it, it becomes division. 18 divided by 3, 3 sixes are 18. So we have found the second number, that is 6. We've already found now the second number. Now with the help of this, we're going to find the first number. So let's take equation 1 and continue here. So x plus y is equal to 18. Now we are going to find the value of x, so we'll leave x as it is. We found y is 6. So this is equal to 18. So now x will be equal to 18 minus 6 because we have transposed this plus 6 to the right hand side. Now x will be equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. So we have found x to be 12. So now we have found both the numbers. So our first number first number is 12, that is x. And our second number, we said in the beginning, let it be y. So y is 6. So we've got our answers 12 and 6. Question 9. A number is 15 more than the other. The sum of two numbers is 195. Find the numbers. Okay. So here again, we're going to have two numbers. So let the first number be x. And we'll keep the second number as y. Let the second number be y. Now it says a number, so we'll keep that as x, is 15 more than the other, that is y. So x is equal to y plus 15. 15 more than the other number, isn't it? Y plus 15. So let's take this as a first equation. And now let's go to the second part. The sum of the two numbers is 195. The sum of the two numbers, the first number is x, the second number is y. Together it adds up to 195. This is equation 2. Now we're going to substitute for x from equation 1, because in equation 1 we have the statement which says x is equal to something. What is it equal to? Y plus 15. So let's substitute x with y plus 15. Then continue. Here it is y equals 195. This way we can find the value of y first. So 1y here and 1y. So that will be 1 plus 1 is 2y plus 15 is equal to 195. So we can find the value of 2y first. That will be 195 minus 15. Minus 15 because we have transposed this plus 15 to the right hand side. It's become minus 15. So 195 minus 15. Let's subtract and see. 0, 9 minus 1 is 8, 180. So 2y is equal to 180. Therefore, we can find the value of y. Y is equal to 180 divided by 2. So we can divide it here itself. We can cancel 2 9s are 18 and then 90. So here we've got y is equal to 90. So that is the second number. So y is equal to 90. This is the second number. Now that we have found y, we can find x, and let's use the first equation. X plus y, x is equal to y plus 15. So that means to find x, we're going to substitute y with 90. We found it, isn't it? 90 plus 15. So let's find the value of x by adding 90 and 15 plus 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. So x is equal to 105. So we have found the two numbers. The first number we said is x, and x is equal to 105. The second number we said is y, and y we found out to be 90. So these are the two numbers. Question 10. The sum of three, this time it's three consecutive even numbers is 54. Find the numbers. So now we have to find three numbers, and here the condition is there are three consecutive numbers. Consecutive means coming immediately one after the other, but they are even numbers like 2, 4, 6, even numbers. So here they're saying the sum of three numbers is 54. Now we need to find the numbers. So let the first even number be x. Then the second even number will be x plus 2, because it's an even number and it's a consecutive number. It will come immediately after x plus 2. And the third even number will be x plus 4. So we have the three numbers here. Now the question says the sum of these three is equal to 54. So I need to add all three numbers. So the first number is x, the second is x plus 2, the third is x plus 4. So all these add up to 54. So now let's count this. There is 1x here, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 3x. So we have 3x plus, let's add up the numbers. So we have 2 and 4. 3x plus 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, is equal to 54. Now we need to find the value of x. So first we write 3x equals 54 minus 6. Minus 6 because here it is plus 6 and we have transposed it to the other side. It's become minus 6. So 54 minus 6. So let's borrow. Here it is 4. 14 minus 6 is 8 and this is 4. So we get 48. So 3x is equal to 48. So now we can find the value of x. X will be 48 divided by 3. So let's do that division. 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 18. 3 sixes are 18 minus. So we have 16. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So now the question is find all the numbers. So here we said let the first even number be x. So x is the first even number and we found out x to be 16. The second even number is x plus 2. That will be 16 plus 2, which is 18. Then the third even number we said is x plus 4. So x is 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. So we have found all three numbers. The first number is 16, the next one is 18, and the third one is 20. So we have found all three numbers. So children, will stop with this for now. We will continue the remaining in our next video. Thank you, children.